I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Hey guys, it's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video. Guys, we're talking about Cardano today. Before we get right into the news, thank you to my wonderful Patreon subscribers: Leon Jackson, C Vel, Angelatopia, CryptoSVET.si, Kyle Bocci, FAIRUZ Den, Anthony Andrews, and Maryland for crypto. Guys, we're back. Prices are down. People are freaking out. Why are prices are down? Well, this has something to do with it. Fed up to their hijinks yet again. They said that they were going to raise rates yesterday about a 0.5%, 50% basis points or whatever. They're going to double the rate increase that they did a couple weeks ago. Let's take a look at what Jerome has to say here about it.
We really are committed to using our tools to get 2% inflation back. And I think if you look at, for example, if you look at the last tightening cycle, which was a 2-year string of 25 basis point hikes from 2004 to 2006, inflation was a little over 3%. So inflation is much higher now, and our policy rate is still more accommodative than it was then. So it is a...
Before we continue, do you remember what this man was saying literally a couple years ago? Talking about inflation was transitory, it didn't exist. We're still at 2% inflation, lying out of his rear end. And now he's lying. Now all of a sudden inflation's too high and they're gonna tighten. So I'm not really worried about this, guys. Will short-term price fluctuations occur during these rate hikes? Yes. Okay, people are gonna get freaked out. They're going to get flooded out. They're going to start selling. Am I going to sell? No. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, interest rates are still astronomically low. I mean, are we even at 1% yet? I don't even think we're at 1% yet, interest rates. And if we are, that's still relatively low when you think about it. I mean, back in the 80s, I wasn't born then, but back in the 80s, we had interest rates to 15 to 20%. So investors are going to freak out, but, you know, I'm just going to continue to be consistent. You don't got to listen to me. Don't listen to me. Do whatever you want. Listen to the mainstream media. Get flooded out. Sell everything. Go ahead and trade if you want to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue to invest regularly every week. I'm not smart enough to time markets, guys. All right. If you have not noticed, your boy could barely read, let alone time markets. So I'm just going to continue to invest. All this other hoopla, I'm not even going to pay any attention to it. Maybe that's my fault, but it's worked for me so far. All right, guys, so let's continue.
Appropriate, in my view, to be moving a little more quickly. And I also think there's something in the idea of front-end loading whatever accommodation one thinks is appropriate. So that does point, that points in the direction of 50 basis points being on the table. Certainly, we make these decisions at the meeting, and we'll make them meeting by meeting, but I would say that 50 basis points will be on the table for the May meeting.
And did you hear what he said? We make these decisions on a meeting by meeting basis. Shouldn't you be forecasting? Shouldn't you be making these decisions after study, after research, planning it out? They make these decisions meeting by meeting. That is disheartening. It lets you know that we have clowns running the show. And you know what? Crypto's a way to profit off of it, all right? These people aren't thinking about crypto. They're not worried about crypto. Crypto's going to blindside them. Because right now, in the current ecosystem, what we have here today, you're being robbed blind. They can literally print money at will. They can raise interest rates at will. But with crypto, you actually have control. You can vote on protocols. It's decentralized. It can't be shut down, no matter what they try to do. So, this is why people are freaking out. Again, I told you what I'm doing. Alright? You don't gotta follow me, but that's just it. So, let's move on, guys. That's pretty much it. We got some Pavia updates. Shout out to Pavia. Pavia dev update coming Friday, 29th of April. I like those Pavia dev updates, pretty nice. Pavs.io airdrop early to mid-May. So that's an NFT. And they'll be found all over the Pavia metaverse. So that's pretty cool. They're going to be airdropping early to mid-May. Ready Player Me wearables, mid to late May target. That's going to be pretty awesome. We did a video a long time ago about them. Pavia token locking smart contract. Tokenomics update early May. Nice. And a builder tool and marketplace on track for late Q2. So quick Pavia update. If you guys were wondering about that, if you guys are following Pavia, quick Pavia update for you guys. All right. So moving on. Thank you to OneCom for sponsoring the video. Ticker symbol 1COMM. Guys, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and delegate to OneCom. Do it up. Follow them on Twitter as well for news and notes about ADA specifically. And we only support small stake pool operators on the channel. So shout out to OneCom. 0% fees until December 2022 for all existing and new delegators. So go ahead and load up on your ADA and delegate it to OneCom, baby. And we moving on. Cardano EMURGO is partnering with BlockPass for KYC. Ooh. Now you guys know how I feel about KYC, but the reality is this is the reality we live in. KYC is just going to be a way of life, and there's really nothing we can do about it, save for moving to Puerto Rico or dipping out to a country that does not have the KYC laws. So if you're going to live in a developed country, KYC is going to be a part of the life, unfortunately. But with that, we need services and protocols to be compliant. So thank you to EMURGO, planning on bringing on-chain KYC services for the Cardano ecosystem. On-chain KYC dApps on Cardano. So yeah, works well for both parties as BlockPass is a provider of DIDs, digital identities, and EMURGO works with Cardano and serves as official commercial arm. The collaboration will allow BlockPass to add Cardano addresses to its app that it could offer on-chain KYC services. So this is coming. Just want to let you know. It's not sexy. It's not popular. But it is the reality of the situation. And, yeah. So, it is what it is. I don't think people are too excited about this, but it is what it is, okay? That's the way the news goes, and we're moving on. All right, real quick, guys, I want to do a quick breakdown of KubeCoin here. They're doing their ICO June 10th, so I'm going to try to get back into these ICOs and these tokens, just in case you guys are interested in getting these tokens. Not sponsored by this, by the way. So ICO launches June 10th, 2022. KubeCoin is a cryptocurrency for leisure and travel. Let's take a look at their website here real quick. Pretty interesting. Aims to revolutionize the leisure and travel industries, universally adoptable through multiple brand platforms built on Cardano. KubeCoin will be the main token for travel and leisure throughout the world with the integration of cryptocurrencies in the day-to-day users' lives. I mean, of course, if we are going to be the new 1% one day, we're going to want to travel around the world. And, using our crypto might be a great way to do so. Thanks to our ecosystem, we will be able to create 7 innovative projects ranging from our own wallet with different functionalities, online platform for, of course, NFTs. Let's take a quick look at the video here. So you pay for your day-to-day travel using the app. Sorry for the frame rate. Holy cow, the frame rate is bad. The frame rate is really bad. So we might got to skip this one. So they're doing a marketplace, NFTs, all that, a new wallet. All right, guys. So if you're interested in KubeCoin, again, their ICO is on the 10th. Comment down below if you are interested in more projects. If there's projects you want me to talk about, I'll definitely do so. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you today. I love you guys so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow with the Vechain and Cardano updates. I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye.